Okay, another odd glitch in Just Cause 3. Oh wow. I don't know how to describe this. Oh, like what's going on here? I'm guessing it's either a helicopter or a plane. But I guess it's just going all over the place. Jeez. Wow. This is ridiculous. Okay, so I already made a video of three. Oh wait, did it end? Oh, it ended. Okay, well, I made a Just Cause 3 video. It was my last video for 3 other glitches, and that was 3 glitches in one. It was only supposed to be for 1 glitch, but it happened to be 3. Oh no, it's going on. Let's start again. Kind of. Yep. I don't understand. There's a lot of glitches in Just Cause 3. Like, remember Just Cause 2. I don't really remember that many glitches from Just Cause 2, but, I don't know. This game has a lot of glitches, though. Yeah, this probably won't be the last Just Cause 3 glitch video I'll be making, so, Alright, well... I don't know how to describe this. It's literally... Jeez. This is extremely glitchy. Oh, whoops. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Yeah, this is definitely not the only glitch. Alright. Well, check out my other video before this one, too. And be sure to check out my channel, too, so... Thanks for watching again, and, see you guys later.